Gonna start this video over. Gonna start this video over. Can you see that? Created this design, two eyes looking at you. Then there's a bird. He's got his mouth over here screaming out at him. At the same time, there's a little bird coming out of his mouth. I'll make the same bird screaming at him coming out of his mouth. I can show you a stone or a rock. At the same time, it looks like a 6. It looks like a 2. You have your 3. At the same time, you have your 2 Jesus fish over here. You have the rocking board. You have the outside. Just thinking of Nibiru right now in this one. And now in the next one, what I wanted to show is down here. What I want to show here is 10, 4. Can also be 16 and 4. I won't go minus. That'll be minus, minus, minus 4, minus 4. You both meet at 0, 44. Sun up. When you're buried 6 down, your 2 feet are up. 2 times 5, B and E. When you say something about up, you say 7 up. 7 up is green, right? The green bubbly. 2 times 7, 2 plus 7 is 14, 9, 23, creation. Remember, 23 is reduced, okay, to 1 and 6, spirit of the half-life. Sun up. Then we're going to go to, we spoke before, 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 9. These are all 1s. 1 times 1, this will end up to be 61. This will end up to be 61 over here. All zeros equal 6. 61. 6 times 1, 6 plus 1 is 6 and 7. This one over here will become the same thing, 6 and 7. It happens twice. This one over here, let me see, did I get this right? 7, 6, 7, 6. This one here is 1 times 9, 1 plus 9 is 10 and 9. This one over here becomes 16 and becomes 10, right? 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. We get 16 and 10. So we end up with 7, 7. 7, 7 is 14. 24, 34, we get 40. 10, 19, 25, we get 31. 71, the gates. At the same time, this cannot remain 10. It has to be 16. It'll go to 46. These become 0, 7, become 13, 13, or reduced to number 4. This becomes 7, 7, 4, 4. At the same time, they become 7, 7, 7, 7. This one over here becomes 7, 9, 6, 6. This is the birth. So we did this concoction over here. We did that because this is number 1. Number 1 in roulette, the 1, 10, 19, 28. The first time we get all of these. The reverse of this is 82. The reverse of this is 91. The reverse of this cannot be done actually, or just 9. To create 1, but 1, 9 and 1 go over here, right? We're creating all 1s again. Create 8 and 2 to create 1, 9 and 1 to create 1. What do we create 1 over here? 9 and 1 creates 1. 9 and 1 creates 1 here, and 9 and 1 creates 1 here. 1 in the black world, 1 in the red world. 10 equals to 16, 28. 16 becomes 44. If you minus it, and I don't like the minus from 10 really, I'll go to 20 and minus, but minus from 10, I'd rather just minus 3. It'll be 35, but then it'll go down to 32. Freeze in hell, the freezing point, BC world. Wear your sunsuit. We went into these designs over here. One area, according to this calculator, will create 1, in the center is 5, and 9. In the calculator, it's showing whole spaces. It's showing whole spaces. So it shows me 4 corners to this whole space. Okay, but I like to use everything as 9. So this one box here is 9. Every single one of these boxes is 9 to create this center area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 16 times 9 equals to 90 and 54. Birth inside the sun, 1,440 minutes in a day. 1 through 9 is always reaching 10. We always reflect that half is actually everything because we go around. So now we're going to want to do this, but we want to actually minimize this to an area. So if I went 1, 5, and 9, 1, 5, and 9 meet here. All the 5s are over here, so that's 20 creating the box here. If these were all 1s, I would have 4 on the outside if they were all 1s, but this is flipped upside down. Remember, I'm meeting 7, 8, and 9 are overlapping each other. I flip over 7, 8, and 9 on top of each other. 9, 8, 7. 9, 8, 7 plus 7, 8, 9 equals to 1776. So am I going to flip exactly 7 here, 8 here, and 9 here, and then flip it backwards and put all 9s here? So in this area, we're just going to count areas. 1 corner, right? 2 corners, 3 corners, 4 corners. But everything on the side is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 16. Okay, there's 4 and there's 12, reflecting the purple. It becomes 4, 3, which reflects DC, purple and DC. Now on the inside, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you now have 8, 3, 6, sorry, you now have 9. You have 8 plus 1 because this one is shared to everybody. This is where the whole is. Everybody is missing a piece, right? Unless that, okay, for the core. So we have 3, 4, 5, we have 8. And then around this, we have 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. That's 12. 12 and 4 is 16 plus 9. 16 and 9. This says the word pi becomes 7 and 9. That is the birth and death rate. 17, artificial intelligence. Inside of P is 7. So now what we're going to say is we're missing all of these, all the X's now in the spots. Once we create all the X's, all these boxes, okay, all these boxes that have value in 9, you're now going to count the half boxes, what we create in the halfway space from all of this. So I'm going to have to do a video with all these numbers because I don't want to keep you here forever. Or do I keep you here forever? Well, this is what we're going to do. We're going to use this whole area over here as one area with this X and only 9 areas, only 9 per box. Okay, 9, 9, 9, 9. So we have 36. You follow me how hard it is? But these two are shared. So we're sharing 2, 4, 6, 8. We're sharing 8 in between. 8 in between. Okay, now we have 8 in between, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. We have 3 in the corners. We have 3, 6, 9, 12. When we join a 3 with a 2, when we join 3 here with 2 here, right? We join 3 here and 2 here, we're not going all the way across anymore. We're creating 3 and 2, a chess move or the letter L. So now we have 3, 6, 9, 12. So we have 8 and we have 12. Okay, here's our 2 here, our 2 here, our 2 here, and our 2 here. Now at the same time, we can also join, because these are all black. So we join 4 more. So we join 4 more. So now we know how many we have. We have 3, 3, 3, and 3, 12 that are completely separated, right? That are together and separated. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 that are together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 12, and 8. 2 times 6, 2 plus 6 equals to 12, equals to 8, equals to LH and T, maybe tender loving hell. So this is all the dots. How many dots did we have all together? We had a total of 3, 6, 9, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8. 12 and 8 is 20, plus the 1 in the center, 21. That's the total blackjack, right? So now let's do one more thing. We're missing, okay, we have we're missing all the centers right here. This is the big one for everybody. Did I do this right? If somebody counts different, please let me know. We had a total of 12. We had a total of 8. We had a total of 1. We had 4 times 3. We had 4 times 2, and we had 1 times 1, or 1 is all. Raphael 72, passing through life. Thank you for watching. Did we get this whole thing down? We saw the 72, fuse power. This here, everything spins around 5 and 8. If 2 and 2 is life, everything spins around 5 and 8. We have double nickel, right? It's not all the way around. Right, it's only around alpha, omega, from the beginning to the end. Not going all the way around, right? Raphael, thank you for watching this video.